Welcome. If you're looking to update your workplace information on your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Facebook update, the steps are a little different, but I'll walk you through the process so you can make those changes quickly and easily. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Once you're on the homepage, log in if you haven't already. Now, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, click on your page to enter it. Once you're on your page, you'll notice several tabs and options. Find and click on the About section. This is where all your personal and professional information is stored. Inside the About section, look for Work and Education. Click on it, and you'll see your current workplace details listed there. Next to your workplace, you'll notice 3 little dots. Click on those dots to reveal more options. From the menu that pops up, select Edit Workplace. Now you can make any changes you need, whether you're updating your job title, changing your company, or adding more details about your position. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to click Save at the bottom. This ensures your new workplace information is updated and visible on your page. And that's it. You've successfully changed your workplace information on your Facebook page using your PC. Keeping your profile up to date is a great way to stay connected with colleagues and let your friends know about your professional journey. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.